en baie welkom. As jy gisteraand se webinar gemis het, of jy wil dalk net die replay kyk, dan is jy op die regte plek. Met gisteraand se webinar het ek my storie kom share, en ja, die webinar was in Engels gewees, en ja, dit is my tweede taal. Julle hoor my altyd in Afrikaans praat. Ek het my beste shot gegee, maar ek het my storie gedeel uit my hart uit, en ek hoop regtig waar dat dit jou kan inspireer, want as ek as 'n doodnormale mamma bang, onseker in die aanlyn spasie kan begin het en 'n aanlyn inkomste vir myself daarmee begin bou het, dan kan jy dit ook doen. Geniet hierdie webinar en as jy enige vrae het na die tyd, is jy meer as welkom om uit te reik na my toe. Jy kan net reply op my e-pos of jy kan vir my 'n WhatsApp stuur. Ek sit die nommer hier onder op die skerm. Ek kan nie wag om van jou te hoor nie. Lekker dag.
So, like I said, I deliberately decided to start with this board tonight because I want you to see what's going on inside this community. I want you to see what's possible, but I want you to know that all of these people that you see on the screen here and every mum that you are going to hear from tonight all started out with one decision: to change their life. They decided to take that leap of faith even when they knew nothing, even if it was a brand new industry for them, because like so many of us, times are tough and times are pushing, and most of us need to make a plan and realize that we have to have another income stream, because these days it's so hard that not even with 2 income streams in one household can a family live comfortably anymore. So things that we are going to cover tonight is what a beginner actually needs to generate income in the online space. How does an online business make money? And then also what needs to happen for money to actually land in your bank account. So as we go through, if you've got any questions, you can either write them down or you can drop them in the comment section. You are more than welcome to do that. Shaz and Jackie is here to help answer questions, but at the end we are going to open up for questions where you can ask us your questions live. So I would suggest grab a pen, grab a paper, write down any questions that you've got so that we can work through them at the end. Now, the mum that you are going to meet tonight is me, Cecilia Jacobs, all the way from Jeffreys Bay. So I don't always stay by the beach. I actually come from the bush. So yeah, I literally use this business, what I made from this business, to flip my zip code from the bush to the beach. Then there's Jackie. She comes from the corporate world. She used to be a full-time 9-to-5 working mum and wife in the bookkeeping industry that knew she needed to make an extra plan to support her family. And then we've got Shaz. Shaz is a mum of 3. She is married, but she's also the sole provider of her household. And you're going to hear a section from each one of us as to why we needed this and what we found you need to do in order to make an income in the online space. So before we get started, I want you to drop in the comment section quickly. How long have you been watching people making money online and thinking about starting something like that? So I'm very curious. I'm gonna open up the comment section for that. Oh, it looks like I can't. So I don't know, Jackie, you can just tell me, is there anybody that's letting us know how long have you been watching? I know for me it was months. I watched other moms make money online for months, where I was wondering, is this something that's gonna work for me? But the other question that I want to ask you quickly is, what is it you would really like to change in your life right now? Are you currently looking to get out of debt? Are you in a place in your life where you like, Celia, you know what, I just want a little bit of breathing room. I just want to know that when holiday time comes, I can literally, spoil my family this holiday. Or I don't want to sit this Christmas and rob Peter to pay Paul just to get some gifts underneath the Christmas tree. What is it that you feel like, this is something that I want to work towards? This is why I'm looking into an extra income stream. So what I want to share with you now is what people actually sell online to make the type of money that you saw in the beginning slide, and that you are going to hear from 3 different mums tonight. And the simplest way to explain that, but before I start that, I just want to give a small disclaimer, and I want to say nobody can give you money guarantees, right? But what I can guarantee you is that this is so worth it. this is worth it, because what you actually gain from this is skills that absolutely nobody will ever be able to take away from you. So the best way to generate an income in the online space is with digital products. Now, anybody can go and they can sell physical products. Anybody can go and sell physical products. But the thing is, the profit margin on a physical product is so low that you're going to have to sell so much of a physical thing, and you're still going to have to sit with customer care and returns and stuff like that, which makes making money with this very hard. But digital products is one, it's a very high income skill, meaning that literally this is the industry where you can make the most profits, the highest commission from. It's the fastest growing industry. And then also it's one of the only types of businesses where you can literally build a global business, where I can sit in South Africa and have customers from Australia, Canada, Kansas, wherever. And I never knew this was possible as a small town Messina mama when I started looking into this. So now there is also two ways that you can start with a digital business, right? You can literally create your very own digital product, and you can use that with knowledge that you've already got. You can do that with skills that you've already got. You've already got experience. You might even have an idea. You might even have an existing idea. We've literally got people inside our community that got, what do they call it? These fancy places where you buy clothes. Jackie, Chad, anybody just help me quickly? I just ran out of my English.
Boutique?
A boutique, thank you so much. She's got a boutique that she currently took online, which literally allows her now to not only sell in the town that she used to be able, where she doesn't need to pay massive rent for a store inside a mall, but she took her business digital, meaning that she's got a wider range of audience that she can serve now. But if you're going to go completely digital, you also, especially if you've got a lot of time to go and sit with trial and error, got time to create and recreate until you find something that works for your audience. And then you can turn that into a profitable digital order. Offer, sorry. But if you want anything, like somebody like me, where you're like, see, I don't have a product. I don't even have an idea. I've got no online business experience. I've got no marketing knowledge. So I literally need something that's going to take my hand and teach me how to build a business like this with existing products while I get to build something extra. Then tonight you are going to be blown away with what we are going to show you. So creating your very own product, you can just ask yourself tonight, just sit here and ask yourself, listen, what's the one thing that people ask me a lot, help with a lot? Is it hair care? Is it maybe biking? Or is it fitness? What is something that you are currently having a skill on that people are asking you help for? What do you have experience on? What do you know that somebody else would love to learn? What problems have you had in life that you've already managed to solve? Because literally what people are buying from you in the online space is solutions. That's the only thing. People are buying solutions. Even if it comes to weight loss, that's what they're buying. So what skill are you currently using every single day that you don't even think about it anymore? It comes that naturally that somebody else would love to learn. So during COVID, this is actually where it took flame and people started investing more in learning skills and through the digital space. So let's say, for example, you are a hairdresser. You've already got 15 years of experience behind the chair. Now, a few digital product ideas that you can create around this is hair care guides for your clients. You can do online consultations. I mean, if you are that good at what you do, I would gladly book a consultation to make sure, with my upcoming wedding, what type of hair color would suit me best, what hairstyle would suit me best. So online consultations, styling courses, you can even start a training platform or training community where you can teach upcoming new stylists your tips and tricks that you taught yourself over the past, let's say, 15 years, right? And that could actually make you a lot of money. I mean, just like, for example, this is Kiara. So she started with DMS. And then she had a massive body transformation. She decided, I want to have a money transformation as well. And because Her body transformation was part of her story, was part of the reason why she decided, I want to have a financial transformation as well. People started asking her a lot about how she lost the weight, what her tips was, what her advice was, how long it took. And she created a simple PDF digital product, you guys, and she made over 58,000 Rand with that. Now tell me, with that type of money, with something that you know you can already create, would that type of money make a difference in your family's life in the next month, in the next 3 months? Okay, because I know it would for me, right? So what do you do if you are anything like me and you're like, Celia, you know what? I don't know enough. In actual fact, I don't think I can create anything or I want to create anything. I've never run an online business before or even my own business. And I just want some way simple to get started because that was me. Back in 2023, I was the overworked mom that literally worked 15 hours every single day in my own salon. I was tired. I barely had any time for my little girl. I still couldn't afford to cover all our expenses. You know, when you get to a point in your life where debt collectors phone you more than your own mum, and you know your mum phones you, right? But when they phone you more than your own mum with threats, then you know, listen, I got to make a plan. I cannot tell you what it felt like because for the first time in my life after my divorce, I ended up with a prayer car. It's literally one of those when you wake up in the morning, you start praying that that thing would start. You start praying that the fuel in the car would be enough to drive your child to school the whole week. And the worst part is that your child actually, you can see, she grinches. She's hiding. She is praying that nobody sees her in that car with you. But something that really hit me hard in the chest, and I know there is probably people on here tonight that feels the same thing. And when you have to check your bank balance before you go buy groceries, you have to take out a calculator and let a calculator dictate whether you can afford what your family need or not. I hated the fact that I ended up being the mom sitting crying in a shower just to try and hide my tears from my daughter. But none of those things actually moved me to get started. The thing that moved me to get started was the day when I had a bridal party at my salon. And that morning early already, I told my little girl, you need to run. When I pick you up this afternoon, you need to run because I'm going to stop, pick you up, and I need to get back to work. Right? It sounds horrible coming from my mouth now, but it wasn't the first time that I rushed my child so that I could get back to work. I didn't want to be that mom. You guys, I've got 2 little boys up in heaven. So the day my daughter was born, I promised myself I will always be there. But that specific day when I picked her up, she was 5 minutes late. And as she walked to the car, the minute she touched the door, I was like, why are you late? I told you need to hurry. But when I looked at her, she was already crying. And I knew she had a bad day at school. And I just made it worse. The worst part is I worked until past 9 that evening. And my daughter fell asleep on the couch. I didn't get time to fix things with her that day. And I looked at her, my heart broke into 1,000 pieces because I knew I've ended up into that mum that never has time for my child. The one thing that I promised myself I would have for her, I didn't have anymore. And it wasn't because of anything other than trying to provide, trying to keep the roof over our head, trying to keep food on our table. And I knew something needed to change. So literally in my 15-hour work day, 6 days a week, I started building this in the bits and pieces of my day. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, in between clients. I can tell you, I've got the white throne office, and if you know my heart, you'll know exactly where I sat and answered emails, right? But I'm going to explain to you exactly how this works in a bit, because this was me. 6 weeks later, I generated my very first dollars online. 10 weeks later, or another 12 days later, I deposited my first $1,250 into my bank account, which amounted to almost 23,000 Rand. And I was blown away. I was blown away. Now, in the past 3 years, as a normal Afrikaans-speaking South African mom that has already run out of English tonight on this webinar with you, I've been able to make over 5 million Rand online. Money I never thought would be possible. Money I've never seen in my family, not even when growing up. I grew up poor. I honestly thought that I was destined to one day die poor. But this industry completely changed that for me. I had ECD, early childhood development background. and I had 2 years salon industry background. When I started this, I was scared. I didn't know anything. I had no clue that it would amount to this. I just thought I was going to make at least an extra 10,000 Rand a month, which is about $600 a month, right? And yeah, this is me now. I can tell you, yes, the money opens a lot of doors. The money really gives us a lot of freedom of choice. But the one thing that this business has allowed me, as a mom that now gets to work from home full time, is time with my child. It's being a mom that's there. It's like literally this morning again. I barely dropped her off at school, and the school phoned me because she's not well, she's got flu, and I could immediately go back and go pick her up. I could spend the day with her. I could be here for her without a boss lifting a brow, making me feel guilty for choosing my family. And I'm not telling you that, again, to play with your heart. I'm telling you that to show you what's possible, to show you if somebody like me could do this, anybody can do it. So how does all of this work? And again, if you've got questions, please do write them down, right? So you're going to need 3 things to make this easy for you. 1, you're going to need a digital product, because having a digital product literally means that you've got a global audience that you can reach. The second thing, you want a discovery method, meaning that you want a way for people to discover you and to discover your offer. And the third thing you want is an automated system, because I can promise you, there is no way that I would have been able to do this without an automated system and working 15-hour shift, right? Because the automated system literally makes it easier for you. Now, your discovery method is nothing else than social media. And before you fall on your back and you're like, Celia, I don't have friends and family that will buy this from me. Celia, I don't have a following. None of those things matter. In actual fact, I'll even tell you, when I got started, I used to use Facebook, scroll Facebook, right? I used to scroll Facebook, but when I opened up, I chose to go with TikTok because nobody knew me over there. I had no friends on TikTok. I had no family over on TikTok. And because it's recommended to start a brand new social media account, I was like, hey, let me go try this TikTok place, right? But the reason why you want to use social media is not to connect to your friends, it's not to connect to your own followers or your own family. It's literally, this is how it works. You've got a social media platform, and then people are literally going to Google and they go and type in. Let's say, I'm going to go with the industry that I'm in. Neon, please don't scribble. Let me just do this. Oh, my word. How do I clear that? Oh. No. Sorry, you guys. I don't know how that happened now, but it's okay. It's okay.
So just, Celia, just stop sharing and then you can just reshare again.
Oh, okay. Let me just get back in Canva quickly. Sorry, you guys, just give me a split second.
It just shows you that you don't need to be tech savvy to do this.
Nee?
Remember that.
Shaz, I can promise you 3 years later and I'm still not tech savvy. And that's a promise. I'm still not tech savvy. That's why I always say, you know what? If I could do this, anybody can do this.
Absolutely.
Where do I go with the projects? Sorry, 2 seconds, you guys. Here we go. Okay. And I'm back. Let me know if you can see my screen again.
It's coming
There
up.
we go.
There we go.
Okay, so what happens is, and for me, I'm going to tell you my story, right? I literally got scammed 3 times online. 3 times that I was approached by people in my DMs and I fell for their stories. And eventually I went to Google and I typed in, give me a program that's going to teach me how to do this. And then suddenly on my social media feed, I started seeing mum that was talking about different ways that you can make money online, programs that literally teaches you how to do it, communities that will support you and help you grow in the online space. So this is what I want to land with you. When you open a social media account to get visibility on the product that you've got, you are not creating for people on social media. So people go to Google. I mean, even if you are looking for a new phone or a new fridge, the first place that you go and check out is Google, and Google then starts giving you the places that sells it or the people that sells it, right? So I went to Google, I typed in, give me a program that's going to start showing me that's going to teach me how to do that. And people on social media were pushed in front of me. That is how it works. That's how simple it is. That's why you want to start. So please, if the only thing that has been holding you back from starting something like this is that, like, I don't have friends and family that's going to buy from me, it's not them that's going to buy from you. It's people that is already searching for the things that you've got on Google. And then if you learn how to market, you will land in front of them. Now, the second thing that you need to have in place is a freebie, is a gift, like this webinar tonight. This is something that I've been speaking about this whole week, where I said, you know what, if you're still wondering how to generate income online, this week, me and 2 other moms, we're going to jump on a call and we're going to break it down for you. We're going to show you how to do that. So because of what we offer, because of the free class that we offered, people gave us their email addresses, right? So then your automated system kicks in and it starts sending out the email. I literally, the first money and a lot of the money that I've been making has been made while I'm sleeping, while I'm beach walking, while I'm cooking, while I'm mumming. And it's not because I'm personally busy sending out email. It's literally because I've got a system that's already working for me. Now, people see you on social media, which creates the awareness. They get that freebie invite where you tell them, I've got a free class, or I've got a free guide, or I've got a free short training, something free which sparks their interest. Now they get into your email list, they see what it's all about, they start considering, listen, this is actually something that I can do, and then the purchase happens. Now, if you're an affiliate for a product, let's say a physical product, when they click on your link and they purchase from you, you get a commission. When you created your own product, when they purchase from you, you make that money, right? So there's literally 5 steps that you need to do to generate this income online. This is the 5 steps that I've been repeating for the past 3 years to make over 5 million. And I can promise you it's the same steps that everybody in the beginning that I showed you has been following, that's been making them that money. And 2 moms that you're going to hear from is also following these 5 steps, okay? So you want to at least post 3 videos a day. I just want to check something quickly. You want to post at least 3 videos a day where you can be discovered. My screen share is off now. I just want to double check, Jackie, if I've got the right one going here. I do not. Sorry, my friend. I just want to make sure I don't have the right thing. Jackie, can you maybe just quickly share the 5 steps that we follow on a daily basis?
Yes, I can. So, hello everyone. So, what you basically do is you have to post 3 videos per day on any social media platform. So, the one is normally about a minute long, and then there's a 45-second video, and then you can do a B-roll between 7 seconds and 15 seconds. So that is to create your visibility online so people can discover you. And then the second thing you have to do is you do visibility boost. So basically what that means is you go into different Facebook groups or free groups online, and then you just start interacting with people. You just need to be visible, because normally what happens if people see you and they see you comment on posts, they normally click on your profile and then they go and check your links out, and then obviously they get in touch with you. And then the other thing you need to do is, obviously, as your business grow, maybe not from the start, but as your business grow, you will start getting emails and comments on your posts, and people will inquire about your product, and then you have to respond and reply to the emails. And then the third, okay, I'll switch it over now, but the other one is responding on comments. So obviously, if you do post on Facebook or TikTok or wherever, people normally ask for more information, because you will end your video with a CTA, like it's a call to action, where you give them instruction. Comment the word, play, and then I'll send you a short video. And when they comment play, then you will just reply or respond to that. And then the last one is you have to plug into your training every single day. Training is very important. The videos varies anything between 5 minutes to 10 minutes on a daily basis. And yeah, that's it.
And that's literally just it. And the biggest reason why you also want to plug into this training, right? Especially if you've never done something like this before, and that's also why it's so important to get a live interactive program to work with, because the internet changes at a rapid speed. I mean, who here gets frustrated just when you are used to a certain platform, then they go and update it and the buttons is all in different places and things just work completely different, right? Even WhatsApp does that to us. So plugging into this training means that you are up to date and up to speed at all times with what's going on so that your business can keep on growing. So common questions that we usually get is, can I do this while working full time? Now you've heard my story. I literally work 15-hour shift, 6 days a week, and I fit this in 10 minutes here, 20 minutes there, 5 minutes here in between salon clients. And 6 weeks later, I started generating my first income online. And it just started growing rapidly there. But I don't want you to hear it only from me tonight. So you just met Jackie for a split second there. But I'm going to ask Jackie to share her story with you because she was also a mum working full time when she got started with it. Jackie? She back?
You are muted, Jackie.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so let me start again. Okay, so I will take you back a little bit to May of 2023. So just to give you a little bit of a background, Cecilia and I actually we are best friends, and we've been friends for a couple of years now. So we were always doing stuff together, trying to make extra money because, as you know, life is expensive, and well, I needed extra money always because I've got children and my son is doing sports and etc. etc. So okay, sorry. So come May of 2023, Cecilia actually reached out to me and she says, my friend, I've discovered this amazing opportunity for us to make extra money because you are always looking for a way to make extra money. And I said to her, you know what, I'm definitely not going to try this. You can do it, and then I'll just watch you from the side for about 6 months. After 6 months, if you are still in it, then I'll give it a shot. So we chatted and I watched on social media, and 4 months down the line in August of 2023, I actually hit rock bottom. I came to a stage where I had to make a decision. Either I'm going to put myself under debt review, or I will have to lose my car or something, but I need to take a drastic step and do something. So I've reached out to Cecilia and I said, listen, my friend, how is your online business doing? And she says, no, this is doing great. I've paid off all my debt and I'm planning to move from the bush to the beach. And I was like, okay. And so I've decided then I will attend a webinar. So she sent me a link. I watched the webinar and I saw people making money and I saw this is actually really working. And I've decided I'm going to give it a shot because I need to do something. And I was actually at a point where I did not have the money to start this. So the way I started is I've watched the webinar. It was on the 10th of August, strange enough, 2023. And I've watched this webinar. And after that, I said to her, I'm going to start. But I don't have the funds. So we normally got paid on the 25th of every month. And on that 25th, I remember I did not pay my debt. So I phoned Cecilia and I said to her, you know what, I'm going to take a very high risk here and I'm going to pay this money, but I need to start. Okay, and then I started. So fast forward up to now, while it's basically 3 years in the online industry, I've managed to make over $500,000 online. But I just want to stop here for a while. And there's a reason why.
500,000 Rand.
Oh, sorry, 500,000 rand. Sorry. Okay, so
Speak live.
I just want to pause here for a second. And the reason why is there's a saying that they say if you treat your business as a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby. And that's exactly what happened to me. When I first started, my main thing was just to make extra money. I just wanted to pay off an extra 200 or 300 rand per month on my debt. Okay. So when I started, I still had a job and everything went fine. I got my salary every month. So I've managed to just be happy with an extra 1,000 rand a month. And I just started, and the end of November of 2024, I got retrenched. Okay, so just after that, I got my payout, and there was a couple of bucks in the bank, and I thought, okay, I can still just treat this as a side hobby, and which I did. And of October 2025, it's where I realized, Jackie, your money is getting little. You will have to make a plan. So last year, I decided that I'm going all in. I will do whatever it takes. I'll show up every day. I'll do my 5 steps every day. And this thing has to work. And that's when my business started to pick up. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because there's a lot of people that start a business and they want to treat it as a hobby. And I can promise you, the moment that you treat it as a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby. So yeah, that's me in a nutshell.
Can you?
Sorry?
No, I wanted to ask you, can you share with people, because I know this is one of the most common questions that you get all the time.
Yeah. Well, can I do it? Will I have to do it all on my own? Definitely not. You will be part of a community. That was one thing that was important to me, is the fact that I need training. I need a system, because I was in the accounting field for about 23 years. So this for me didn't make sense at all. So having a community, and especially the coaching, for me, it's the most important, is the coaching.
Yeah, and I think that's something that all beginners should know. You guys, having success in a space like this, education so that you can learn the skills, is extremely important. Coaching, where you've got people that help you to apply this, that help you to stay accountable, that's where breakthroughs start to happen. The tools to run this business, just to get that in your hand without needing to pay it bit by bit, different people, having it all in one place, in my opinion, I think it was my saving grace. But getting your systems, that instead of building it yourself and having a community with 24/7 support. I mean, I was a mom sitting in South Africa, and sometimes I would work until 9, 10 o'clock in the evening. So for me to be able at that time of night, when I just finally had a little bit of time to, go sit down and plug into the training, to have somebody there that could answer my questions then was extremely helpful. So no, you will never be doing this all on your own. Jackie, you guys, how long does it take? Jackie, can you tell them how long did it take you? Are you not on mute?
No, I've unmuted. Okay, so for me, it took me 4 weeks to make my very, very first dollars as a South African mom. And I would never, ever forget that day, because I was actually in Checkers, busy pushing a trolley just to buy the weekly groceries. And then I got a notification, and yeah, it was my first sale. I was very, very excited, because that to me was like, okay, this is real. It's working.
For me, it literally took 6 weeks, you guys. And here's a fun fact that I want to share with you tonight, right? Especially for the people that's sitting in the back and be like, yeah, Celia, we can't talk like you, or I can't talk like you guys. Look at you guys talking here. This is like, I think, my second or my third webinar that I've been doing, that I did in the past 3 years since I started, right? I did not start out speaking like this. I literally made my first $1,200 without ever speaking a single word on camera. I would be the mom that lifted my phone, and I would be drinking a glass of water, putting text on screen, putting trending sound on there. And that's how I made my first $1,200. But I'll never forget that very, very first, it was like $50. It was such a little amount. And I woke up the morning and I saw a 1 on the PayPal app and I was like, what? Did this just work? And I scrolled my phone down and I saw the $50 and I realized you just flipping made money while you were sleeping. That was 6 weeks in. 2 hours later, I made another $300. So I was still doing a client's nails, and it takes about an hour to an hour and 45 minutes to do a set of nails. And that was, I charged 280 Rand. But when I got that 2 flashing over my PayPal account and I swiped it down, I saw I made another $300, which was like close to 5,000 Rand at that stage. I was like, holy moly, I just struck the jackpot. And it was all happening on automation while I was still working my full-time business, right? So for me, it was 6 weeks when I made that very first sale.
I love that. I love that, Celia. And I love how each one's journey is just different, you know. For me, it took me 3 weeks to make my first high ticket sale in the online space. And that was a breakthrough for me. You know, I've always started off with less, but to get that first $300 in your bank account, it just hits differently. So like you heard here this evening, each one's journey is different. So if you're new here, I'm Sharonay and I am shares to my fellow colleagues. I'm also an ASD and homeschooling mom. I'm a nail technician by profession. I have my own salon and I've had my business for the past 3 years. And, you know, in the time where it was going slow, I was literally forced to look for options, right? Since I've got a husband who's also chronically ill and he's got kidney failure, goes to the dialysis 3 times a week, doesn't have a job, and makes me the sole provider of my household, sole breadwinner. And it places a huge strain on someone financially, especially if you are a mom and you've got other responsibilities, and it just becomes heavy, you know? So I was tired, feeling like I was just getting by. I was working, but still wondering if there was a better way. If I wasn't sitting in my salon chair, I wasn't earning. And I needed to work around that. I needed something different. I didn't have all the knowledge and experience or confidence. I wanted more freedom and flexibility, but I was scared of failing, scared that I wasn't, that it wasn't meant for me, that I wasn't gonna be earning like Cecilia, for instance, be earning like Jackie. And that's the one thing that tends to keep you behind. It's because you're comparing yourself to others. You're comparing your journey to someone else's journey. And I always say, and there's actually a saying that says, do not compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20 or chapter 100, because you don't know what it took for that person to get to where they are today. So I knew I had to stop waiting until I felt ready. And I finally decided to take that leap of faith and make a move, because there's nothing scarier than starting. Fast forward. Thanks, Celia. Next slide. So fast forward, this is me in my prime, and I'm absolutely loving this journey. Like you've heard, and that's so profound this evening that you've got 3 different women here with 3 different testimonies. Mine is in the tens thousands, Jackie's in the 100,000s, and Cecilia's in the millions, right? So in the past 3 months, I've managed to generate almost 70,000 Rand through this amazing program. And I think this is the quickest I've earned in the online space, this amount of money. And it's not always about the money, but we all do need money to survive, right? And it does help you so much. And I mean, June was my biggest month, 40,000 Rand in 1 month. I think that for me was, it was confirmation that, you know what, Shares, you are capable of this. You can do this. That limiting belief of, can I do this? Is it for me? Is it for someone like me? Do I have to speak like Cecilia? Do I have to speak like Jackie? Maybe I should speak Afrikaans. I mean, I've had all those doubts. Should I speak English? Should I speak Afrikaans when I do my content? What do people want to hear? Maybe it's because Cecilia is speaking Afrikaans that, she's making millions. Just making an example, but just be yourself. And when I came to terms with the fact that, Shares, you are enough. you have what it takes to bring to the table. You know, if I'm saying it the right way. There is someone out there that needs to hear your story. They need to hear how you, as a mom of 3, breadwinner of your household, is taking care of your husband, of your kids, literally running a salon, running your online business. And I've got so many people asking me, Shares, but how do you do this? Where do you find the time? And I mean, I was literally thinking about that this afternoon. Where do I find the time? You know, sometimes my day is so busy, I still show up for my business, for my online business, right? I show up in the salon, but I still make a point of it to show up for this business because, like Jackie was saying, if you treat it like a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby, right? And you want it to pay you like a business. You want it to pay you on repeat. You want it to become your lifestyle. So you need to put yourself in that mindset of saying, listen here, I've made up my mind and I'm going for this. I'm not going to let anything hold me back. And I was not going to let finances stop me because that was the one thing that kept me stuck in a place of you know, not prospering, not going to the next level, and so on and so forth. So let this be an encouragement to you tonight. Whether you are sole provider, whether your salary is less than 10K a month, there are ways that you can get into this program, and you will hear about this this evening as the ladies will explain further, you know, what steps you can take to get started in this business. So yeah, guys, that's me. Okay, so what makes DMS the best starting point? Number 1, it is a done for you system and structure, meaning you get it done for you. The website is set up for you. Number 2, you get a clear starting point and you get multiple income streams. And I love that. You don't just get a program to resell. It teaches you that you can also create your own products. And for me as a nail technician, right? Just to share quickly. So I'm in the process of creating my own digital product, right? I've got my theory is set out. So the theory part is already done. I must still do the practical part. But it makes it so much easier because of the skills and what you learn inside this program. They literally give you the tools to create your own product. So look out for it. You will see it coming soon. So that, no, guys, you can start your own product with the knowledge that you already have. Everybody has something to offer. Anything that you are good at, whether it's cooking, whether it's baking, you know, anything that you are good at, any skill, you can create your own digital product. And then number 4, you get coaching and a community, like Jackie was saying earlier. I always say, you are in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. And the coaching is just next level. And then number 5, there are no payment gateways needed, right? Because this is an affiliate program. We get paid directly into our bank accounts. So it helps for those countries like Namibia who's struggling with PayPal, for instance. So we don't have that worry here in DMS. There you have it, guys. Thanks, Celia.
Man, I'm trying to share here, but I'm on mute. I muted myself because something that I wanted to add here is that I've also known people in the past that literally lost their PayPal accounts and thought that $1 income was no longer something that they would be able to do because of that. So being part of an affiliate program or anything affiliate actually still allows you to generate that income, right? Because your money can go straight to your bank account if you don't have a payment gateway, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. Now, this is the distinction with DMS that I love the most. If you are somebody that already has your own product idea or you've got your own business, you just want to learn how to take it online and how to market it and how to get customers, you can literally start with a program, learn the skills and have that done. But if you are somebody like me, like Jackie, or like Shaz, that was like, I don't have anything to create now. I don't have time to create something now. I literally need something that can give me a cash injection that's done for you. With DMS, when you purchase your program to learn the skills from it, you literally pay a $75 activation fee and you can become an affiliate for it, meaning that they do your full setup, they buy your domain, they buy your email, and you can literally get started. Remember, I was the mom that went to Google and said, hey, give me a program that can teach me how to do this. And if you had that, I would have most probably have been the one that purchased it from you, right? So there are 3 programs that you can get started with. You've got the dip your toe into this industry. I just want to first check it out. I want to see what this is all about. That is the Launch Accelerator. That's basic steps just to get started with in this industry, where you can literally make 90% commission on this program and get yourself started. If you're somebody like, Celia, you know what, I'm a little bit more serious, but I'm a little budget tight at the moment, there's always the starter, which is $497 that you can get started with. That gives you 2 income streams already. And then there's the pro. Now, I'm very biased about the pro because I know what you get from the pro. I know all the value that's inside the pro. This doesn't just give you 3 main affiliate income streams. I think it gives you something like 12 PLR income streams. It's also the program that teaches you how to create your own products. That's the one that Shaz is on, Jackie is on, I'm on that one as well. And the nice thing is, you know, you can start with one and upgrade as you go as well. As you start making money, you can upgrade as you go. Like I said, I'm very, very biased with the pro. I love everything about the pro. Now, the pro and the starter programs both have 3-month payment plans that you can get started with. If you're like, you know, I'm serious about this, but I'm going to need to have some assistance and help, then you can use the payment plan, right? What's lovely about the pro is also it's the one that gives you the education on how to create your own products, stack your offers, and multiply your income streams a lot quicker. And it's the only one that has the CPD certification. So CPD certification is an international qualification. It's literally something that's a bonus on your CV as well. But it comes with 12 months coaching and support, business education, done for you funnels and systems. It's got AI tools, you guys, which is amazing. The secret sales weapon, let me tell you, for a newbie, this is the ultimate thing to help you create content when you just get started. You've got your product, you've got starting options, you've got communities, you've got the pods where you literally work with 6- and 7-figure coaches that help you grow your business and fast track your success online. We've got guest experts coming in. And I mean, you've got the affiliate options and resale rights inside the pro. Now, if DMS is all about rewarding action takers. Now, if you get started by the end of this week, your bonuses would be a live onboarding call, literally taking you through the whole program, showing you exactly where to go, what to click, what to do, what's the best options for you. You get content templates that helps you to get that first content out there so that when people search on Google, they can actually find you and you can get your done for you system. And the thing that I love about this system, there's a lot of automated systems out there that has monthly fees attached to it. But the nice thing about this is when I got started, I was a mom that had to make a plan to get started with this, right? So I didn't have money for monthly expenses. I didn't have money to pay systems monthly while I was learning this and implementing this to grow this business. I needed something that was a once-off payment and that could grow as I was learning without putting the pressure of monthly expenses. And that's exactly what this Done For You system is all about. But the creator, Lizelle, of the DMS program said, hey, until Sunday midnight, she's also going to give you 5 days of your first customer activation, where she's going to help you choose what to sell or what to start with. She's going to identify your perfect customer with you, where she's going to help you to make that connection quicker. She's going to help you get visible in the online space. She's going to help you start conversations and build that interest. And she's going to help you make that first offer, which is absolutely amazing and something that I actually wish that I had when I just got started. So what we're going to do for you guys just now is I'm going to stop sharing my screen, but we're going to open up for Q&A where Shaz, Jackie, and myself is here to answer your questions, you guys. I mean, you've heard our stories, you've heard where we started out from, you've heard the things that we've done. So if you've got any questions, you are welcome to use the React. It's a heart at the bottom of your screen. If you tap on that, there's a raise hand. You can raise your hand. You can ask your question. But if you are too shy to do that, you are so welcome to drop your question in the comment section, and we would love to answer that for you as well. Is the
There's
content
one question.
that, or do you have to create talking videos? Adelia, you don't have to create talking videos. I literally made my first $1,200 without once speaking on any single video. So I would be watering my garden, and I would use my secret sales weapon, for example, to put text on screen, and then I would use songs that I liked just to get the beat on my video, and I would put text on screen. I literally, when I made my very first video, was when I cashed out. I'll never forget it. It was $1,250 something, you guys. And when I cashed it out, I know as a South African, your brain knows, you know, dollar is more than rand, but it doesn't really realize how much more it is. So when I cashed it out with my bank account was over 23,000, it was close to 23,000 rand. And I remember lifting my phone that day when I cashed it out and that money landed in my bank account. And I was like, whoa, it felt like the most money I ever had because I didn't need to replace stock. I didn't need to pay somebody. It wasn't an insurance payout or anything like that. And I lifted my phone and I was like, do you know how much $1,250 is in South Africa? You guys, I just paid out almost 23,000 rand into my bank account. And if you want to learn how you can earn dollars as a South African, just send me a message because I would love to share it. And the reason I did that wasn't because I suddenly had the courage, right? It wasn't because I was suddenly confident. It was like, moms need this. They need this. They don't need to work 15 hours. They don't need to sacrifice their children. They don't need to sit and cry in a shower. And they damn sure don't need the calculator on their phone to buy groceries if I can show them how this works. So that's where I started talking for the very first time. And that was all on the system. Adelia, DMS is the third program that I purchased in the online space. I'm a true believer of not thinking that you will never, ever invest in your education again. So when I got started, here's the difference. When I got started, this was a side hustle to make an extra $600 a month, right? And it was like, I just want to make the money. But later on, it turned into a full-time business where I now treat this, it's my only business. I don't do nails anymore. I don't do facials or lashes anymore. This is my only business. And I started having clients that lost their PayPal accounts. I started having clients that struggled with setups in the previous program that I was in. And I was like, how can I help these people? And I started attracting a lot of people from Namibia. And I was like, I need something that was going to help my customer because my heart was never just to sell something. My heart is when my friend comes to me, when Jackie comes to me and she wants to make money, that I can really help her as a mom. And that's when I started looking into affiliate options to be like, you know, how can I help these moms that doesn't have time for setups? How can I help moms that wants to create their own products, but you know, they need a system and a program that's going to teach them. How can I help the moms that literally don't have payment gateway? And that's when I discovered DMS. That's more than a year ago. And with DMS on its own, within my first month, I made over $5,000. It's also a very proven system. It's created to bridge any gaps out there. So hear me when I tell you, my heart will always say, if you're going to start a business in the online space as a complete beginner, make sure it's digital. Because now I've got a 5.3 billion people reach in the online space. And if only 1% of those people are searching how to make money in the online space, then it's what, 530 million? So the market is there. Even Forbes is saying this market is growing at rapid speed. So much sense because we need and want easy steps to follow and no complications. And that's it. Setup is something that holds a lot of people back. Tech holds people back. Moms that doesn't have computers. I work with a lot of moms that's like, Celia, I don't have a computer. I've got my phone. And DMS is the system that literally allows you to work only from your phone. Anybody else have a question for us? You guys, please do ask your questions. I wish someone would have opened questions like this because that would have helped me to start so much sooner in the online space. And if you don't have an English question, you can also pop it in Afrikaans. We've got you. Otherwise, if that's it, if you guys only now you can ask the questions in Afrikaans. I know I used to be so scared to ask an English question because I know my English failed me. I just want to say this, right? I want to share something with you. This is very personal. I don't usually share it. But I remember, I want you to allow yourself to make mistakes. Because I had one mistake video that I put out there and I didn't realize it was a mistake until somebody pointed it out to me online. So when I started with my talking videos, there was this one day where I wanted to explain to mom so badly how this automated system was like literally the one thing that helped me to get my time freedom back with my child. Because I mean, there I was with this mom working 15-hour shift and I was making these dollars coming into my bank account. And I remember this one video and I was like, 3 reasons why you need a pre-built funeral to start your online business. You guys, that video went viral. It made me 50,000 Rand as a South African. But it's only what I want to land with you tonight is don't let fear of making a mistake. Don't let fear of trying something new hold you back, because that's literally what I allowed myself. And I can tell you, Jackie the same, Shaz the same. I know them both personally. They are both clients of mine where they were like, yeah, but I'm scared. What if I can't do this? What if I don't get it right? And look at them today. I mean, Jackie, after she lost her job, she can tell you, I don't need to go work for a boss again because of the skills that I've learned. Shaz, the sole provider of her house. I think that took off a lot of pressure from her and her husband, knowing that, you know what, she can work a lot less now. She can be picky and choosy about the clients that she takes in her nail salon because her online business is literally providing for her family. It's allowing her to take the kids for milkshake. Jackie's online business is allowing her to go visit her son when he plays a rugby game. My online business allowed me to flip my zip code and move to the ocean. I always said one day when I'm big, I am going to move to the ocean. And 5 months into starting digital marketing, using my phone to generate an income, I grew up, you guys. I grew up. Allow yourself to make mistakes. And if you're afraid of what if my family or friends sees me online, heck, block them. Open a new account and block them. Because a few months from now, you will be able to help them to change their life as well. But yeah, if nobody else has any questions, then we are going to bid you all a good night. Are you saying that you get a certification?
There's one more.
Yeah.
Oh, I see Penelope is asking about the certification. Penelope, it's a CPD certification, meaning yes, you get credits, but it's not like a government recognition thing. Okay, so CPD is literally showing that the education inside this program is internationally high quality. It's that type of quality that what you learn in here is literally something that develops your skills. Have to make mistakes. We are so hard on ourselves. We are very hard on ourselves, very hard. But I can tell you, I think this business is something that gave me the most purpose. If you are somebody sitting on the other side, right, that has ever said something like, you know, I wish I had an extra 5,000 Rand in my bank account to help put groceries in this woman's cupboard, or to help that person pay a medical bill, or to help this one get out of debt, or to help that one pay their school fees. This is a way that you can help people. This is a way that you can help people, because the lives that I've seen changing in this industry is insane. It's insane. So again, thank you so much for joining us tonight. You would receive an email from the person that invited you here. It's either me, Jackie, or Shaz that invited you here tonight. Remember, these bonuses that end Sunday midnight, bonuses that we wish we had when we started, because that would have probably helped us to start generating income a lot quicker. But yeah, Jackie?
Sorry, there's one more question. Do you get coaching on how to create videos? Honestly, Canva and CapCut is a bit tricky for me. I have been creating, and editing issues. Doubt my content because it doesn't look as appealing as the other ladies I follow.
You want to answer that? Should I answer that, Chaz?
I answer that, but yeah, no, you can answer that.
Okay, so
Go
don't
Shaz.
forget-
No, go Shaz.
Okay, no, I was saying Amber was commenting there as well. Amber says, yes, you do. It's phenomenal. And Penelope, there's so many apps, right? I mean, the Edits app, phenomenal. Phenomenal. So you are not left alone, my friend. You get all the training inside, literally step by step. It's in your modules. All you have to do is literally follow the training.
And then the secret sales weapon. Shaz, don't leave out that secret sales weapon because she's like the star, right?
Yeah, that's my best friend. So
yeah, and she creates content for you, Penelope.
Yeah.
So she helps you with your content so that you don't run out of ideas. But I see you say, yeah, that I doubt my content because it doesn't look as appealing as the other ladies I follow. And I want you, Penelope, to just hear me tonight. Girl, you are freaking enough. Don't compare yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, here's something that I want you to know tonight. You most probably prayed for a way out. And now you started something. And then you ask God to provide for you to start with whatever you started with or with whatever you're considering to start with. But you can't sit there and look at other people and copy and think he's going to bless a copy. You be you. You, Penelope, are more than enough. But I can tell you, yes, DMS teaches you how to create content. DMS has the secret sales weapon that helps you with content. And then you've got a community that backs you when it comes to your content as well. Do you get coaching on how to create videos? Okay, we've answered that one. Is there any other questions?
Sorry, can I just add something in there, Penelope? You also get content clinics inside the Yes, we have content clinics. So that's very helpful because you can log into a slot and then you get your training, they do audits and they do guide and assist you. So you will not be left alone.
You get all the help that you need, literally. Literally.
I think the one thing about DMS is also that close proximity is working with people that's got heart. The close proximity makes a huge difference.
Yeah. And also give yourself at least a week or 2 weeks to see what works and what doesn't work. And then you pivot from the type of content you're creating. I mean, you can do, like Cecilia mentioned earlier, or was it Jackie? She mentioned the B-rolls, right? Which is 7 to 15 seconds. And that is literally just anything that you are doing, that you're recording. I mean, it can, like I was sitting here now and I was recording some content that I'm going to use later on for B-roll, right? And I don't have to talk on that video. I'm literally going to use text on screen with some music and post it. So give yourself that grace. Give yourself that grace. You know, Cecilia already said it. You are enough. You just need to be you. Okay.
I've literally got a mom that 80% of her content is her wiping down her cupboard in the kitchen. 80% of her content. And she makes at least $1,000 extra a week from that. You guys, because she connects to the mom that wants to be mom, that is just looking for a different way to generate income. It's that simple. Stop overcomplicating this. I sometimes just want to hug you all and say, stop overthinking it. Stop overthinking it. You don't have to speak like other people. You don't have to look like other people. You just need to be willing to take that chance. You just need to be, none of us is sitting here in front of you. Starting the day that we started with, I've got confidence, I'm going to do this and I'm going to make money. No, we started scared and it was a giant leap of faith where we were just like, you know what? I'm going to take this chance. I'm going to take this worst case scenario is I'm going to learn a heck of a lot of skills and nobody's ever going to take that away from me. She was in a place where she asked which language she should use. I do the same. I'm so in my head. And at this point, I am my worst enemy. We all are, Penelope. We all start there. But I think that's where DMS is also amazing because it's got a lot of mindset coaching to help you get out of that. And again, your secret sales weapon. She'll help you get out of that as well. Because the thing is, I can promise you it's not just you. Shaz started being in her head. Jackie started being in her head. You guys, I come from a broke, poor family, right? The last thing that I thought I could do was make millions in the online space. The last thing. I didn't feel pretty enough. I didn't feel polished enough. And like I said, instead of pre-built funnels, I spoke to people about pre-built funerals, and I still made freaking money. I still made money because I was willing to. I was the mum with the back against the wall where I just said, you know what, I'm done. I'm done struggling. I'm done taking out a calculator when I need to buy groceries. I'm done. I was literally on my knees that night and I was like, Lord, please open a door. But once he opens that door, I had to go back and say, okay, now I don't have the money to start with this, so please provide. And if that's you tonight praying for a way out, go back and ask, Lord, please provide. Please give me the money that I need to get started with this. For me, it came in the form of not having a Fortuner. You guys, I had to sacrifice my Fortuner, but I can tell you I'm driving a better Fortuner today. Okay? And I don't even owe a cent on that Fortuner. For some people, they had to borrow money. You heard Jackie's story. Jackie literally decided, you know what? This month I'm going to buy the. I'm not saying don't pay your debt. I'm saying that's what Jackie decided to do. My debt isn't making me money. So this month I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it my all, and I'm going to make my money back. You just have to go back and say, Lord, I prayed, now provide. If this is meant for me, provide. And He will. We block people. We don't want seeing what we are doing. I'm going to start there. Start there, because that's probably the thing that's putting you in your head and that's holding you back. I don't have money. I'm going to work on coming in, Michelle. No, I always make a plan. Yes, there we go. Block, bless, and release. If somebody is making you doubt yourself for starting this, you guys, hear me out. Okay? They are not people. People that has already made the money online, they don't judge you for starting something. Do not take advice from broke friends. I can tell you the day that I got started, I had people that told me, Celia, you just wasted money. Celia, you just got scammed. Celia, yeah, there goes my friend. There she's raising her hand. But I was just like, I'm doing this for me and my daughter. I'm ready to learn the skill. I'm doing this for me and my little girl. And look at me today, 5 million later. Money I never thought I would have. So, yeah, you guys, we're going to love you. We're going to leave you. If you want the replay, you can just get back to the person that invited you and ask them for the replay. You are more than welcome to share it with friends. And yeah, we hope to see you inside. Be blessed, take care, and thank you for joining us.